League of Legends is such a fun game. Come on in and join us on this wonderful journey of playing this incredible game. Yay! First of all, queue. Queuing is flawless. You simply jump in, press play, and game is found within 20 seconds every hour of the day. Being in the most populated rank, Silver, I never encountered longer queue times and people don't decline them. Like ever. When you are in the lobby, nobody leaves the lobby and wastes your time because they care about not getting a 30-minute ban from playing. Secondly, champions. The wide range of champions is probably what entices players the most. There is this thing called meta, which sort of forbids you picking literally any other champions than the meta champions if you don't want to be flamed. But on the flip side, you can instantly report Tristana in your jungle because seeing that in your game might make it less enjoyable. Also, Riot does an incredible job of balancing champions, so don't worry about losing the game if that one champion like Zed, Yasuo, Master Yi, Jax, etc. are against you. People are just dumb and can't outplay them. Thirdly, players. We finally get to the most exciting point of the whole wonderful experience that is playing League of Legends. Players should always be pinnacle of any multiplayer game. The community makes the game fun because it is labeled multiplayer. And oh boy, does the League's player base do an amazing job. When they are assigned a role they don't like, they always abide and play it. There is never someone who can only play one role and throws every other. If an anomaly happens and someone like that joins your lobby, don't fret, because they usually have undeniable evidence that Riot fucks them over and over, so they troll now. It's not their fault anymore. The Lever Buster helps keeping the games fair by giving your team the option to remake when a player doesn't join the game. If everyone in the lobby joins though and after 20 seconds one player leaves, you can still have fun not being able to surrender and lose the game 4v5. That's 15 minutes you're not getting back. And the skill groups are obviously measured without a single hinge. After you are placed in your rank, you should never blame the system for giving you trashy teams because you deserve to be there. The most enjoyable parts are exactly the matches with AP Tryndamere top, full AP Zac jungle, AD Teemo mid, and non-meta professional duo of Zira and Zilean bot. If these things don't give you tingles of happiness, you can always count on Riot banning you for unjustified toxicity towards intentional feeders who they let play their game on.